Hello traders, Jason here with SwingHigh.com. It is Monday, November 16th, 2009, and the markets are much higher today. As you can see this morning, we gapped up pretty big. We actually gapped above the 110 resistance and the 110.40 resistance on SPY. Above that, there wasn't much resistance, so naturally we shot up, and we're slowing down right now. There isn't really a resistance line here, but we created one at the 111.41 area. So that's a spot to look out for. Right now we're under that. We'll see if this is the high or not. Right now it is a high base formation. If it does break above 1147, there's definitely some more upside for that. Let's look at the market let's look at the other indexes. The Dow up 1.3%. I forgot to say the spiders are up 1.6%. The Nasdaq up 1.3% as well. The financials up 1.6%, and the Russells up 2.66%. Wow. So everyone is participating in this rally. Strange though to note that even the bonds, the TLT here, even the bonds are up 1% today. Usually bonds are a quality or flight to safety investment, and that usually increases when markets are going south. So it's interesting to note that the bonds are up today too, also participating in this rally. The dollar, DXY, or the UUP, either way you put it, it's down, and that's giving some room for the upside. The market internals, the tick is was very bullish all morning. It didn't even get below the zero line until 10 o'clock, and even then it didn't stay down there very long. But as you can see, the trend for the tick today is downward, sloping downward slightly, and we'll see how we close the day. I would not be surprised with a pullback, considering how extended we are. So I'll talk about that again in a second. Let's continue to look at the internals. The trend was also, wow, incredibly bullish all day. Below the 0.5 mark is almost overly bullish. A lot of volume is flowing into stocks on the rise, and very little into stocks that are declining. Probably because most stocks are rising today. That's one thing that's influencing that VIX reading. The trend reading. The VIX, however, is down only 1.5%. It's actually down less than the markets are up. That's concerning for the bulls. The VIX should move 3 times the opposite direction of the indexes, and with the SPY and all the other major indexes being up about 1.5%, the VIX should definitely be down 4.5% or more to really strengthen the rally. But it's finding support, if you will, down here at the 2280 area. Kind of makes sense, going back to some of these other swing lows of sorts. VIX isn't really a stock, but it does have support and resistance areas just like anything else. So the VIX is not participating in the rally. The tick and the trend are very strong, almost overly bullish, so be careful of that. Let's look at the daily time frame of SPY. So here we are. Wow, talk about a high base breakout. We came up here, made this leg, put in a high base between 110 and 109, and then just shot out of it. If we do continue higher, I expect the next resistance area to be in the teens somewhere on SPY, probably 113 area, 114 maybe. After that, the next huge area of resistance is 120 on SPY, so there's a lot of room to run there. If the markets finish bearish, that could be a big time reversal pattern. We'll see. I doubt they will. It's just everything's too strong today. Anyway, we'll catch up on that at the end of the day. So check back for my post-market analysis, and thanks for being a part of SwingHigh.com.